Do the challenge where 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 I'm supposed to be Kobe Bryant. I'm Kobe Bryant, yeah, and we can play with Steph Curry, but it's gonna be a challenge. So stay tuned. So watch. So he's gonna be 6'6", weight gonna be 200 inbounds, 6'10" wingspan. Hold up. Yeah, yes, we're gonna be spend 11, so we want to add that plus one giant dunk. So yeah, let's max out our dunk. So yeah, so we can get that 70 giant dunk. We all know that Kobe Bryant can't shoot, but he's gonna have a mid range and post control. Max basically put your post control to an 885. Leave your mid range shot to a 92. And then put your 3-point shot to a 76. And then 82 on the free throw. We all know that Kobe Bryant didn't pass, but it's alright. Leave that thing at 56. And then 85. And then here's the bill. So we have Kobe Bryant build right over here. And I'm gonna draft for the that's gonna be a side off score. Look. Inside the art score, got it right, so now y'all have to sub. I want to do it every time. I mean every day, but in 3 days, I'm gonna have to go to school. So yeah, if I be late, that means I have to went to school. Let's go to the Warriors. If you see my number is something else, please not mind it. I will violate it, so. I don't go to. Alright, I'm back. I think that Breeze is number 3. I mean 8. Let me go to my settings. Yeah, I'm number 8, so. So now let's get into our first game.
messing around with receiver control. By default, pressing and holding the bounce pass button will make the receiver you're pointing the left stick at perform a quick deep cut to shake off their defender and try to get open away from the ball. When they're open,
Kobe Bryant.
On the floor for the visiting Golden State Warriors. At center, Trace Jackson Davis.
Oh, that one here, okay.
At power forward, Draymond Green. At forward, Andrew Wiggins. Let's bring out the stars from the Portland Trail Blazers.
Oh, I don't know what change this. Excuse me. The mayor.
Robert Williams out there with Jeremy Grant. And it's Henderson in at the point. And the Trailblazers start out with the ball. Grant, nothing quite like the first game of a brand new season. So many possibilities.
You know, BA, for the players, you're excited and relieved at the same time. You get to see all the hard work you put in during the offseason pay off.
The fadeaway.
Oh, come on. 60 overalls for 99.
As tough as it comes right
Okay.
there. He's a hard man to deny when he gets the ball to the rim.
Lets it fly. Jackson Davis. Oh, he hangs in there. And he's in on the second chance points.
Using his body and finding his feet in positions on the boards where he can get up, get to it, get next position.
And here's Henderson. Pass to Grant. Henderson drives in. Lays it up and banks it in.
Henderson's game. Get downhill, young man. Beat the defender to the spot.
Again.
I'm gonna change my stuff.
The Warriors take the win. And that's the end of the game. Hanford on the road. They were ready and they were focused.
I'm done, bro.
Takes a strong mental approach.
My ball.
And that about does it for the first game of the new NBA season.
Change my animations and watch the game. Oh, I forgot no skipping games. So you can only skip the game when there's emergencies. I don't really do that, but today I'm doing. That Kobe Bryant, do that pro, hop jumpers, Kobe Bryant, post face, Kobe Bryant, post Shaquille O'Neal, Kobe Bryant, find his middle. This is Kobe Bryant. I know that he has a beard, but this is what he looked like when he first died. Get away from me.
Who told you?
You.
Huh?
You, yes, you sick too.
Huh?
You sick.
Get the ball back. If you find that your opponents are predicting your passes too well and you're committing too many turnovers, try using the fake pass command by pressing the bounce and lob pass buttons at the same time. This might throw off the defense, lead to bad steal attempts, and give your teammates an open lane to the basket. You can also try mixing in some jump passes by pressing the shot and regular pass buttons together at the same time. These passes can be risky if thrown over long distances, but can be tougher to intercept if used in the right situation.
Welcome, everyone. What better way? And now the Los Angeles starters. Powell and Kawhi in at the forward spots. James Harden out there with his gun. And it's Zubac in at the center position. And for Golden State, inside it's Green next to Jackson Davis. Then there's Stephen Curry. Then it's Andrew Wiggins. And it's Bryant in at the 2. We should see some great ball movement with these two teams, Grant. Fantastic group of passers on each side. They're just so unselfish. They play for one another. You can see how it keeps the whole team involved. I'll tell you what, I just love watching teams that can pass like this. Now here's Bryant. Up and overdone. Trying to bank it in, but it misses.
Why am I missing?
With head coach Steve Kerr. What'd you find out, Allie?
He's focused on what we need to do to stop James Harden, saying we need to be aggressive defensively without putting him on the line. Once he starts drafting more timing, his game slows down, he gets into a rhythm, and from there, it's a domino effect.
Okay, thanks, Allie. And the Warriors with possession here. After the Clippers picking up a basket just a moment ago. To the middle. Kicks it out to Bryant. Lets the three fly. That drops. Comes off the assist to Curry. Don't want to let him get into his rhythm out there. Grant once again. Stephen Curry hit 300 threes last season. And
Why couldn't have basketball to Steph Curry?
7
It was wide open.
seasons ever. Stephen has 5 of them. He has the only 400 three-point year ever. So, yeah, B.A., Stephen has created his own class. Just 4 to shoot. The 3 is up. He buries it.
Go Curry! Boy, it's just unguardable. He's just unguardable.
Leonard's got his second basket of the night.
And defensively, you have to make him work harder than this, or it's going to be a long night.
Curry passes to Bryant. The kick out. Curry. Back to Bryant. Jacks up a 3.
I just want to admit for that Curry, so sorry.
And loss against Denver.
That's a game they like to put in the
They talking to robots.
They slept walk through that entire effort. Way too much talent on the roster for them to let that happen.
Look, he forced that one. Not a productive trip up the floor.
And in a way, by taking that one, bailing out the defense, it's just too easy to stop.
And you want to get him going as soon as possible. Great way for him to start this game.
He's a guy who, if he gets hot, he can carry your offense for long stretches.
Here's Curry for 3.
Sorry, Curry. You still got this, bro.
I don't know how he missed that shot.
But he didn't get. Oh!
Power slam.
Just superior athleticism. Chris Dunn soaring for the jam with that impressive front foot.
Bryant outside. Ball's not loose. Curry passes to Bryant. Over Harden. Bryant, no good.
This is not his best quarter.
And you know what? They keep calling his number, and they're simply trying to get him out of this funk.
Now here's Powell. His last outing we saw him score 22.
Ryan said Curry. Ew, bro. Chris Nolan.
Wiggins and Green hold down the forward spots. Then it's Trey Jackson Davis. Then there's Stephen Curry. And it's Bryant and it's shooting guard. That's the Warriors 5. Oh, Green with the block.
Well, let's remember a former defensive player here, Draymond Green, sending it back.
Curry ain't in here.
And here's Harden. He'll bring it up to the LA Clippers. First chance of the year for them to go up against this Warriors team.
They swept the season series, which is very much in line with how these teams finished in the standings.
Well, they're more accomplished at this point, but you can't rely on that and start taking plays off. You could get surprised.
Wiggins finds Bryant. And here's Curry. Three-pointer. 6 on the shot clock. And we're joined now by Shams Charania. He's calling in with a story. Good to have you, Shams. What's going on?
Thanks. Well, for the Warriors this summer, there was disappointment between their longtime trio breaking up and the departure of Klay
Making it.
actually underrated. So, guys, we'll see how they hold up in this crowded Western Conference. Do Steph Curry and Draymond Green have enough?
They'll be challenged for certain. All right, Shams.
I'm gonna be with Steph Curry, not you, Draymond Green.
You know Kawhi Leonard is a former finals MVP. Jimmy Butler said, there are guys that are like, I'm going to find the best way to win.
Sorry.
So that brings the first half to a close. Warriors ahead. Don't go anywhere, folks. We'll be back in a moment. And we played through the first half. Plenty of basketball left in this one. Stephen Curry having a dominant impact in this game.
Well, if he's hit threes like he did in the first half, he's going to have a monster night.
What I love is they continue to feed this guy. Kawhi, the hot hand, until the defense does something about it.
And so in the game for Los Angeles, Powell and Kawhi in the forward spots. Chris Young is out there with James Harden. And it's Zubac in at the 5, roaming the paint. Well, Graham, with the money's on the line, the mid-range is still a big part of the elite player's game.
You're right, B.A. And really, it comes down to touch, obviously.
He thought he was gonna make that.
This done is proven over and over again. Afraid of trouble, sometimes don't make shots.
So interesting, Grant. Younger fans may not realize the Clippers had a lot of rough seasons early on.
Well, you know, B.A., that's one way to put it. You know, in their first 27 years in L.A., they only made the playoffs 4 times. But things have definitely changed. Owners have changed. And now they're postseason regulars at the ball.
And we're going to have a jump.
All day if you want to.
It's Los Angeles now. Clippers trail by 11. To the paint.
We've seen this script before. Kawhi Leonard starts early and continues throughout the course of the night. Defense is in for a long haul.
Curry passes to Bryant. The 3. That's good from Curry. All the assists by Bryant. Curry's got 17 points.
And he's in his bag from beyond the arc right now. You see his confidence.
If the defender knows once he gets cooking, the bucket looks awfully big to him right now.
Los Angeles has got 3 of their 7 threes to find the net in this matchup. Over to the left wing. Here's Dunn. Uses the glass to finish the layup. 7 points in the game.
I really admire the poise of Chris Dunn, appearing totally comfortable in the paint.
Pass to Jackson Davis. Zubac with the steal. Wiggins against Leonard. Second shot opportunity. The Warriors pull it in. Green's got rebound number 7 tonight. Here's Bryant. Finished off the break.
Boy, the start of this has just one 5 attempts.
6 to shoot. Fires for 3. The Clippers grab the miss. Leonard's got 4 rebounds in the game. Now here's Harden. Here's Dunn. And they recover it. Leonard can't get it to go.
This has not been a good period for this guy. Absent, not letting the game come to him. He's got to settle down and make shots.
Bryant pass to Wiggins. Back to Bryant. Now here's Curry. Leonard defending. Curry, he's open. It's rebounded by Zubac.
Bro, Curry, you could have had made that, you stupid.
Outside Harden.
Warriors down.
Jonathan Kuminga, he's checked in for Jackson Davis. Jones, he's checked in for the Clippers.
Substitution on the court.
Here's Harden. 1:46 left in the third quarter. Just 5 on the clock. Powell passes to Jones. It's over Kuminga. Jones, his shot is good. Jones has gotten his first points in this one.
Now that's a bad shot until it goes through the net.
Bryant outside. Back to Curry. Wiggins on the wing. Bryant outside. It's rebounded by Zubac. And so it's Harden with it. He brings it up for the Clippers. It's a 10-point game. Following this one, they host the Trailblazers.
Wow, James Harden putting a little sauce in the finish. Nicely done.
Yeah, like say it like
By
that.
the AT&T 5G Slam Cam. Bryant with it. Harden picks him up. Bryant with the look.
He's just crushing up with plays like that. And he's just continuing to pile it on.
You want to make sure your opponent knows they have absolutely zero chance of a comeback. Nice finish by him.
Let me go see y'all. See it there. Yeah, we got 30 more minutes left.
Harden. Can't get it to fall. The Warriors lead by 10. There's the triple. And there's Bryant. That's good. On the assist from Curry. Curry's got 5 points tonight. 8-second difference between the shot clock and game clock. Now to Powell from deep. Offensive rebound. Zubac's high post. Here's Jones. And it's flushed. Oh, that's a jam.
The assist.
Well, this is Zubac. He's such a team-first guy. You find an open teammate, put the ball where it needs to be.
Pass to Bryant. Up and over Dunn. Bryant, no good. Powell outside. Three-pointer. Doesn't go that time. And so it's the Golden State Warriors. They lead by 11 as the quarter comes to a close.
Got one more quarter to go.
They're superb shooting. They've wasted very few possessions.
You
Back
not
to the
see
game
that.
after this break. And now let's listen in to Ty Lue in the huddle. Imploring his guys to stay positive, not to get down on themselves. Coach Ty Lue.
Wanting his guys to slow down a bit. Substitution on the court.
And the Warriors with possession here. Pass to Jackson Davis. Zubac with the steal.
Warriors down.
He's checked in for Coffee.
Second team foul. Clippers 7. Chris Dunn.
And we're about 3 minutes into the fourth now. Harden pass to Zubac. No good there. That one will count to single digits. Oh, what a fast break for the Warriors. Here's Bryant outside. It's hauled in by the Clippers.
Alright, I'm done. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So thank you for watching.